Nice, and go all the way down.
Where you going, baby?
Throughout today's performance, please refrain from buzzing, stinging, and pollinating. And no chirping. Thank you. And now, put your wings together for the host of our show, everyone's favorite man, Flik.
Fireflies! Fireflies! Up here! No, over here. Way over here. Way over. A little more. A little more. A little less.
Perfect.
Oh, and hi, hello, and welcome. Welcome to our show. You know, we've been doing this act for over 300 million years. And with bugs making up more than 80% of the animal world, we're the biggest cast of them all. Still, you guys just don't seem to see us, so that's why we gave you those special bug eyes. Now, go ahead, put them on. Neat, huh? Yeah, no, now you're all honorary bugs, so, on with the show. Okay, thanks, little fella. You're done now. Huh? Yes, thank you. Take it from an ant. It's tough to be a bug. That's why we've developed some amazing survival techniques. For instance, deep in the jungles of South America, there's a bug. Well, technically he's an arachnid, you see. And Chili, I really hate when you do that. I really don't. I hate it.
Oh, I'm sorry, Flik.
Where was I? Yes, Chilean tarantulas, like my friend Chili here, throw poison quills at their enemies with deadly accuracy.
I never miss.
This is my favorite.
Paul! Come on, keep on coming, keep on coming. Jimmy's on a roll.
Hey, what are you guys trying to...
Paul! Messing up my act. Hold still.
My God. Okay, Dad, Lewis, all right.
You miss. He doesn't know what makes a fool of Jimmy, Ben. Come back here and die like a bug.
All right. Well, our next guest is a soldier termite who defends his mound by spraying intruders with acid. That's right, acid. Welcome him now. He's buff, he's ready, and he's ruining our set. You know, we have other shows to do.
I am a lean, mean, defensive machine. I am the Terminator. Oh no. I detect more intruders.
No, they're not intruders. No, they're honorary bugs.
No. Intruders must be terminated. No exceptions. Oh, shoot. I need more ammo. I'll be back.
Is everybody all right up there? Oh. I hope that none of you are allergic to acid. Oh, my. Best to move along. All right, our next guest. Let's meet the silent but deadly member of the bug world, the stink bug.
Target's ready, Flik.
All right. Oh, just a second. Let him rip, Claire.
No way! You'll never catch me!
Take cover! She's gonna blow!
Whoa! Who's gonna blow?
Claire, lay off the churros, will ya? Oh, I'm sorry. It'll clear.
Flik, what are these humans wearing on their heads?
Oh, I made honorary bugs.
Honorary? What? They're our biggest enemy.
No, that's not true. They're my friends.
Friends? Get this loser out of my sight.
Hey!
Bring in the evidence. Friends don't exterminate friends, do they? Still don't get it? Well then watch this. You humans have always seen us as monsters. If you had it your way, you would destroy us all. But you never will, because we outnumber you 200 million to 1. Maybe it's time you honorary bugs got a taste of your own medicine! What? You still alive? This means war! Hornets, on your stingers and attack! You're over your target, Black Widow Spider! Go! Back off, spiders! They're mine. Bug bombs, zappers, sticky little motels. Nothing can stop us. Ha! Nothing!
What do we do now? Bring out the next act. He refuses to come out of his cocoon.
Well, we'll just have to wing it, huh?
Cue the finale.
Did I forget to mention reptiles? Well, they just don't see the character it's tough to be above. But you guys should, because we made your world one honey of a place. We're pollinators! We're pollinators!
If you like vegetables,
Terrestrial flowers.
if you like bugs for our marvelous powers.
If it weren't for the fact that we like the taste, you'd be out there wallowing in shoulder highways. Shoulder highways.
All bugs were white dog, the face of the planet. There to be no humans around here to ban it. The best thing about us, you can't live without us. Here it comes to be
Huh. It's a piece of cake.
Well, it still has a few bugs in it, but that's our show. And now that you're all honorary bugs, remember, magnifying glasses are for looking at little things, not for burning little things. See ya! Hey! Hey, little fella! Where should you be?
There?
That's right. Good bug. Good little bug.
Your attention, please. We ask that all honorary bugs remain seated so the beetles, maggots, and cockroaches may exit safely. At this time, gather up your personal belongings and take your small grubs by their grubby little hands as you exit. Thank you.
We hope you enjoy Zootopia Park. Please take a moment to gather your belongings and begin through the door on your left. Please deposit your bundles in the container outside the door. Thank you for joining us and enjoy the Zootopia adventure here at Disney Animal Kingdom. Bye bye.